Hello guys! Today we are here with a bunch of genius tools that are on another level with unique aspects. So let's see. Don't let the utility locating task make you annoyed. This is the all-new RIDGID SR24, an accurate utility locating instrument for the fastest on-the-spot utility locating with easy-using facilities. Well, it is so handy that you won't have to endure any fatigue during operations. It shows the position, direction, and depth of utility. Surprisingly enough, it has up to 30 feet of locating range and a wide range of frequency. In addition, you'll get notified with an audible sound alert after every detection, and this tool's GPS and Bluetooth technology is like the cherry on top. Measuring is a crucial element you can't escape while on a project. This tool over here is a versatile measuring solution for your demanding sites. Now you can do real-time drawings and share them anytime. That's fun! It has a huge range, so you can measure any of your large areas with precision. Want to know the cool part? This tool has a built-in wheel that allows you to measure round, curved, and uneven surfaces. Also, it is durable enough to be used for a prolonged period. Keeping this MILESEEY laser rangefinder will definitely add easement to your jobs. Cleaning pools in a manual way? Ugh, that's so annoying. Meet Natitty, your new pool cleaning mate. It is made of anti-corrosive materials that provide corrosive resistance from pool chemicals and offering a longer service time. It cleans horizontally, 90-degree stairs, and even the neglected corners, giving your pool a spotless look after every clean. Well, it has a strong suction power that leaves no debris behind. In addition, it boasts a bunch of pro technologies that make it an ideal hands-free solution for pool cleaning. Just plug it in a power source, and this bad boy will be going for a bath. This is the GYS Easy Cut Plasma Cutter, a compact and lightweight that is ready to take up all the cutting challenges. Thanks to its ultimate shock protection, now you can operate without any chances of accidental issues. Also, precise air adjustment will make your task easier and more accurate. Oh, there's an air-cooled torch for you, so actions will be more comfortable. No matter what material you're dealing with, cutting steel, aluminum, or stainless steel tubes, this plasma cutter will ensure you get high-quality cuts every time. When you're going through routine repairs, this WRD Handling Cup may be a tool that you'll love to have. If you have to deal with car dents or need to pull out something from an exterior of your car, this strong and handy will make it a child's play. Yep, it has a great grip on every surface. Just place it in the needed place, press the pump frequently until it sticks tightly, then pull it through the handle. Your objects will be safely separated. Make your tough tasks fun now. Every worksite needs a strong workstand. Whether your project involves different tasks, you must go for this Bora centipede. It can be set up in seconds and provides fast, reliable custom workstations, so you can use it for any need around the job site. It comes with a convenient storage bag, quick clamps, and a set of 4 X cups for your different project needs. The centipede supports up to 2,500 pounds for your big, bulky tools. Time to make the process much safer and avoid working on the floors. Oh, this is not a tool. It's a whole set. This is an auto glass set by Equalizer. First thing first, they are lightweight. Each tool has expertise in individual tasks and is made of heavy-duty plastic in special shapes. Dealing with prying, smoothing, spreading, or maybe removing, tapping, and pushing. This set has surely got to have something for you. Just find out the right one and take on the job. One set, too many benefits. This is a Spyder Tarantula hole saw, a perfect combination of speed, versatility, and long life. You'll get a 50 times longer service life from this little guy. Now you don't need to carry several hole saws, because this Spyder Tarantula can cut through wood with nails, steel, stainless steel, or even on cement fiberboard. With the Rapid Core Eject Arbor system, this hole saw makes core removal easy and saves your time and hassle, taking your productivity to another level. Let's move on to the next one. Well, it may seem like a regular screwdriver, but it's actually not. You can make this screwdriver straight in a matter of seconds. With a total of 16 torque settings and coming with different types of bits, this Inco's cordless screwdriver meets your wide range of drilling and fastening needs. The reverse switch action is another pro of the tool, which will make your loosening task easier. Maybe you're worried about the dim areas. No problem. It has a built-in LED there, so you can drill into tight, low-light spaces pretty easily. However, bit changes are way quicker now. You may have got your wire damaged a lot of time while stripping, but this WEICON wire stripper won't let you do that more. Firstly, this thing is handy and safe. It has a huge working range on both flat and round cables. With a great optical length scale, it gets stripping perfectly done every time. You'll get an advanced scanning system for every cable's type and diameter. Maybe you need more? Hold on. There's easy accessible built-in side cutters that will eliminate the need to keep an extra wire cutter in your carry bag. No wonder this is going to be your new all-rounder project, mate. Cleaning in confined areas is tough until you have this Makita Air Duster by your side. Yes, this cordless duster keeps your important tools and accessories completely dust-free. No matter where the dust is hiding, this bad boy will blow them out. You can also use it for both inflating and deflating. The one-touch nozzle replacement process makes the operation more comfortable. With a wide range of nozzle sets, you can go through every tough to easy cleaning job perfectly, leaving no dust behind. This tiny guy not only blows dust, but it also blows minds. See? There's a ripe apple over there. But how do you get it? Maybe this QuickFit fruit picker can do this. Yes, it's an easy way to pick fruits from the highest portions of trees. With the adjustable bag angle, you can gather fruits easily. This attachment fits into any QuickFit shaft and lets you enjoy fruit picking of any height. Maybe you're thinking about the damage? Well, Fibercom tabs pull the fruit so gently to keep them totally fresh. And yes, the mesh bag allows you to see your harvest. After a couple of use, you can remove the bag to wash. You're going to get each of your ripe fruits perfectly picked. This pen-like tool over here is a pen, but not actually a pen. Sounds interesting, right? Well, this Tracer ProScribe is an ultimate marking accessory. From now on, you'll be marking more precisely, giving less effort. You can use this ProScribe for parallel marking, profile marking, and even as a compass also. This is one of the most versatile marking tools out there. So that was the list of the genius tools that are on another level. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.